Jack, Ralph, and Tony are on their way to the library. They're college students, and they see some Mormon cult missionaries cased in the neighborhood when most of those folks are off working hard. The only ones home are their kids in the afternoon. This happens to be the afternoon. So they honk for Jesus. Get it right to them, and they honk, and they tell them, "We got an eye on you, you perverts." And Jesus doesn't like your name-stealing cult, or your Saudi Arabian Muslim terrorists on American soil. They'll let everybody do that. Good idea. Let them know you're watching.